Thank you, Dylan. My name is Kazmir Ako, and I'm from the University of Georgia. I started my career when I moved from biochemistry to food science at the Washington State University. My professor was in food science, so he wasn't really into fat and oil. He was working on legumes. But the project that he had that time was on fat and oil, to make a olestra kind of fat. So I looked around and I figured that AOCS is the best place for me to go. And I asked him, he's a nice guy. I asked if I could go to the meeting. He said, yes, I could go. So I was a member before him. So I guess I signed him on to become a member after that. So I've been here for 25 years. With Steve and Brent, we were all here at that time. But like all the previous speakers said, volunteerism is important. So you come in, you volunteer at the division level, and you can move up from there to even becoming a president, which some of us were. And I was the president here about 3 years ago, something like that, 2008-2009 president of AOCS. And it doesn't stop there. Even when you're out, you still can come back and contribute. So the networking that they said is very, very important. Not just to know the top scientists, but to know your colleagues. You know, all these students from different countries here will be your colleagues for life, pretty much. So you can make connections. Sometimes you may even go there, or they come here, or you end up in the same lab, because it's a small world. So I encourage you to work hard and aspire to be the best you can. Thank you.